In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto on eToro. To get started, sign in to your eToro account. Make sure you're using the correct account before you continue, and once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. This is where you can access the search bar, trading pages, and your portfolio. So, it's the starting point for everything we're doing in this walkthrough. Next, use the search bar to look for the cryptocurrency you want to buy. You can type in the name of the coin or its ticker symbol. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can search for BTC. Using the ticker is often the quickest method, especially if you already know exactly which asset you're looking for. When you see the cryptocurrency in the search results, click on it to open its dedicated page. This page gives you a closer look at the asset and is where you'll begin the purchase process. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct cryptocurrency, because many digital assets can have similar names or symbols. Once you're on the crypto page, click the Trade button. This will open the trading window where you can set up your order. This is the screen where you choose how much you want to invest. So move carefully and make sure you understand what you're entering before placing anything. Now enter the amount you want to invest. Type in the value you'd like to put into the cryptocurrency. It's always a good idea to invest an amount you're comfortable with, since crypto prices can move up and down quickly. Double-check the number you enter so there are no mistakes before continuing. After that, review the order settings. Check the investment amount and look over the order details carefully. This is an important part of the process because it gives you one last chance to confirm that everything is correct. If anything looks off, this is the time to adjust it before placing the order. If everything looks good, click the green buy button to place your order. Once you do that, your crypto purchase will be submitted through eToro. Depending on the platform and market conditions, the position should appear shortly after the order is processed. Finally, open your portfolio to view your crypto position. This is where you can track your cryptocurrency investment and confirm that the purchase was completed successfully. Your portfolio gives you an easy way to monitor what you own all in one place. Thanks for watching.